know.
Yes, people didn't think I joke. I outside me there. Yeah, man, because you don't know, so the requirement needed on 24-hour kitchen and cook and vibe with their people.
In the storm.
Yeah, man, end up coming in the pot. Coming in the pot because...
Curry go.
Because the rain is falling on people, so we can't have too much rainwater drop up in the pot. You know,
Yes, aye. Quick and fast.
Need some special food and not
See
acid,
jerk pie.
not acid food.
Yes.
You understand, people?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
A good vibes, Ringo. So we set up, you don't know, at the video shoot, K-Coke, Wooly part of an artist, Jed Roberts is there. We're the only three stuck outside, but it's all good. The jerk pan is up and running. The rice and peas are going over here. So Ringo signs falling down. It's all going on outside, Ringo. Oh, hey.
Yes, people outside, 24-hour kitchen. Look where I go on, rice and peas. I go on set people, yeah, man, good vibes. Yeah, man, M got there, so right now, I go and deal with the jerk chicken.
Loading it up on the top bit there, so that one there can just easy cook, and these ones there cooking. It's really Ringo.
Alright, a good vibes.
We're outside, video shooting, Ringo.
Yeah, man.
Didn't think I'd chat him.
Curry goat people, yeah. Yeah, man, artists and man them outside already, people. So you don't know, it's a 24-hour kitchen, cook and vibes. We're there. A good vibration right now, people, yeah. We're outside. Yes, people, 24-hour kitchen, we're outside. Look around, you can see that here, there's a lot of lighting being set up. Yeah, man, cameras and everything, people. Come in and have a look, We've got the jerk, we've got the jerk pan here. We've got the cold pot there. We've got rice and peas going in here, people, yeah. So a good vibe segue, people, yeah. Yeah, man, we're outside fully. We've got the jerk chicken here. Everything I go on. Jerk chicken around here, people, yeah, man. 24-hour kitchen, people, yeah. Alright, everybody's over there. So we've got the curry goat here, people. Shopping trolley special, Yeah, man, a shopping trolley special, people, yeah. Yeah, man, a good vibe, we're there, outside.
Hey, what, can we get some of the money to stand in front of this car? It's the block provision in the car, innit? Yeah.
It's the last of the video shoot this year.
It's done.
Yeah, man, it's done. Everything done.
So
See the people.
Man, they're doing their scene now. There's in the Ringo. Our job is finished. Everybody has consumed. Everybody you see here, our jerk chicken and curry goat. That's it.
Big up yourself, everybody. 24 hours cooking. Yeah, outside. Yes, Emdo. Yeah, man, it was a good day today. People.
Yeah.
Big up yourself.
Yeah.
24-hour kitchen, cooking with Ringo Vision people, yeah.
Big up London Lighting.
Big up London Lighting.
Yeah,
come,
alright.
Come in, my bro. Come in, my bro.
Listen, they've got the setup. I've seen it online. They're very, very popular people. London Lighting. Check them out. They got the studio there, right?
Yeah, studio,
everything
line,
there.
equipment, props, the whole shebang. Yeah, what's up, man?
See it there? See it there?
Alright, Emdo. I wanna just big up all the people that invite us here to the video shoot today to come and cook for cook for this. Yeah, all the people that here today eat from 24-hour kitchen and cook and vibes, yeah. So this is just a little short episode, my YouTube family, yeah, just to show you what's going on behind the scenes, people, yeah. Differently from the homeless, giving back to the homeless, helping the homeless and needy people. 2023, that's what it's all about. Remember, hit me up if you are interested in helping the homeless and needy people. You know what? On the movement as well.
It's the greatest thing you're doing right now with the movement, you know, Ringo. So big up yourself for the movement, you know. But here are gone. Enough of the youth them over there, Wooly blue tick young artists. So we just want to make them see today how we deal with the thing and make them know say our food we are deal with. And we will pick up that knife there, what we do with it?
The food we are dealing with, man, and I cut up vegetable and everything, there, man.
Yeah,
One thing.
One thing that I do with people, look, you can see the vibes here. Ringo Vision, 24-hour kitchen. See the big camera there. Boy, yoy. Man, looks like he's got a jetpack here. Set off.
Set up.
Yeah.
Yo, these guys come through. Last minute notice. I thought they was gonna come with prepared food. They come, cooked everything on set, fresh food, all on the dot. Couldn't ask for anything. Couldn't ask for no better. Proper official
Did you
guys.
enjoy the food, Jay?
Make sure you book them. Yeah, the food. Everyone liked the food. 40 people here and everyone liked the food.
That's
Trust
it.
me,
That
proper
is it.
stuff.
Big up, Jed. We're soon doing our music video, so a different thing. next time.
100.
Respect, my brother.
Respect.
Rob, thank you for coming, bro.
Respect, Jed. Yeah.